Jared Fogle has been charged and has admitted to participating in a 5-year criminal scheme to exploit children. Beginning in 2011, Fogle learned that the head of the Jared Foundation, Russell Taylor, was sexually exploiting a 14-year-old girl. At that time, Fogle chose to receive and repeatedly view child pornography involving that 14-year-old girl. This continued during a 4-year period, and Fogle's actions resulted in the sexual victimization of 12 minors in the state of Indiana. Search warrants for 16 smartphones, 5 basic cell phones, 5 MP3 players, 5 tablets, 6 laptops, 1 desktop, 6 loose hard drives, 5 cameras, including hidden cameras, flash drives, 10 of those, 10 memory cards, 46 CDs, and 22 DVDs. The approximate amount of data reviewed by the Indiana State Police, the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department, and the FBI includes 159,634 text messages, 27,140 emails, 47,623 images, and 3,394 videos. Through this thorough investigation, 14 victims were identified.